Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and copy a post link on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, first access your Facebook app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? So here in this section you're gonna find lots of posts where you would like to copy the link. You're simply gonna go ahead, first tap on this share icon given below right corner. Here in this section you can find all of this options regarding sharing this on your messenger and stuff like that. Here in this below section called share to, you're gonna find this option called copy link just beside the your story. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you have simply copied the link of this particular post right here on your clipboard. You can go to any of the platform. Let's say we would like to go to our messenger and we will go to a particular person, and we can simply go ahead, paste that link to them, and we can simply share it to that person just right over there. That is the way we can simply go ahead and copy a post link on our Facebook. And thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.